Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I have here from Impulse EDC some glow derbies. Let's check them out. This is an unboxing because what? Okay. Oh, that would help. Yeah. Ooh. Okay. Okay. If I could pick these up, that would be great. All right, there we go. That would be grapes. Look at how shiny. That's going on my sticker thingy. And this is a coaster. I don't know. All right, so now get out. Yeah. Oops. All right, I want to open this. Blop. Where? Yeah. Yeah. Pow. All right. Bingo bango. It only took 10 years. It's the derbies. Oh, neat. They're half and half plates. Okay. What? It's... Oh! I'm dumb. It's a sandwich plate. That's nice. I didn't know he was going to include that. How cool. Little derby sandwich. Neato. I never really can finagle myself with sandwich plates. Wait, okay, let's turn off the lights. Because these are glow. Okay. Gotta reach my thing. Oh, wow. My light charged the hell out of these. Let's just separate now. No. Get off. Turn this upside down. Okay. There we go. Now we can charge them. Bloop. And... man, that sandwich plate is bright as fuck. Okay, I'm really bad with using the sandwich plate. But what a neat little blue glow. I don't know why I'm holding it so far away. What is wrong with me? Cool. Wait, now I want. You stop. I turned this into the tiniest slider. The tiniest glowing slider. Ouch. Let go. How does this work? Somehow this works. I love it. I love it. This was not the intention at all. And yet, it works. The tiny slider. I should probably turn my light back on. Where is it? Where is it? Okay. Now let's see what weight is what. Oh, they have different kind of resistances, don't they? This one just kind of swings into it. Whoop. And just, there's hardly any resistance with pushing it down. This one, there's definitely resistance. There is push, push, push. Pow. Push, push, push. Zoop. Smooth. Time to get the weights. I'm guessing this is the light one and this is the heavy one. The one with resistance is the light one. Whoa. What is that? What is that? And then I'll see how light this is, this tiny slider. That was not intended to be a slider at all. That is an infinity slider. Ha 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 ha. I keep losing focus. Go away. Boop. $27.52, and this is the one with the resistance. Now for this one, yeah, it's the heavier one. I like this one. I like the lighter one. I like the resistance. I like this one too. I like both. Duh. I also have another one. Where'd it go? It's in my pocket. I bought the Faux Kume blemished one. Let's see how much this one weighs. It's in the middle. It's got a very swishy noise to it. Very swish. And now for the lightest slider and tiniest slider. Just 9.31 grams. I love it. I love it. Come back. All right, guys. What are your thoughts on these glow sliders? Do you guys like the heavier ones or the... Get back here. Get back here. Get back here. The heavier ones or the lighter ones? What is your preference? Damn, this thing glows like... It's a hella glow. Too much light. This isn't working. But I pulled it out of my light box and it was glowing like crazy. Ouch. Don't bite me. Alright, anyway. So what is your preference? The light one or the heavy one? And do you like the sandwich pieces? Do you use them? Do you know how to really use them? Because I'm just kind of, I don't know. I don't know how to use them. Maybe my hands are not dexterous enough. Or maybe this is just how to use them. You just do whatever. I don't know. What are your thoughts? Do you have a glow derby? Or what kind of derby do you have? Or what kind of derby do you want? Let's have a conversation in the comments. Yeah. So I hope you guys are being fantastic, having a fantastic time. And yeah, I guess that's it. Please like and subscribe. It really helps. And I will see you guys in the next video. Yeah, alright guys. Have a great time. A fantastic time. An excellent time. Or else. Alright guys. See you in the next one. Bye.